This is a unboxing of the Logitech MX Keys keyboard from Logitech. This is a wireless keyboard from Logitech. If you want to watch more about this unboxing, please stick around and continue watching this YouTube video. Hi friends, today we're going to be looking at this unboxing and looking to unbox this really good premium keyboard from Logitech. It goes complementary with the Logitech MX mouse, which I've also got down here. So I've just ordered this. So this isn't a content that's actually sponsored by Logitech. So this is purely myself going out there getting this keyboard. I've got this now, and today we'll be doing an unboxing and continue to do a quick review of what's inside the box. So as usual, we'll first have a look at what's on the box itself. If you just look around the box, excellent presentation. This is the first thing to see on this keyboard, so it looks really plush and premium, and says the advanced wireless illuminated keyboards. It's got backlight on the keyboard, which is great to have. It's ultra thin, ultra fluid typing. It's good. I actually didn't order the the rest that comes with this, so but I'll see if I can get that separately. So what's in the box? So we've got the keyboard itself, and looks like it comes with some kind of charging cable. So you guys can have a look around here. See, it just says in the box there's a keyboard itself, some sort of charging cable, I presume some paperwork. It's obviously Bluetooth. That looks good. On the back of the keyboard, this goes with the Logitech MX Keys Master 3, the mouse, which I've got down here, as I was saying earlier, which is right down there, just complementary pair with that. It's got some nice grooves on the keyboard, and it's got like nice angle as well. So perfect keys, comfort and stability. That looks good. Illumination, as I was saying, so it's got backlit keys, and it's got flow across multiple devices. So that's actually a really good feature, meaning you can actually see this being worked across multiple devices in a fluid workflow. So you can have the cursor and the keyboard work from one computer to another almost seamlessly across platforms. So across Windows, Mac and others. So that's pretty much the box down here, I think, from what we can see. So we'll quickly get to unboxing it and see what's inside the box. Right, let's get to, there's a lot of packaging down here. We're just gonna try and open this up. So there we go. So that's just that keyboard now opened up. Looks like that's what's inside the box. Is it gonna come out? No, it looks like it's just a box to open up. Just going to open that up and try and pull it out what's inside the box. Alright. Have a look at that. I'm going to keep that to one side. There you go. And that's everything in the box now. So put that to one side. Nothing there. Put that to one side. Now that's everything in the box. That appears to be is the connector for the keyboard. So let's have a look at this first. Some paperwork. It says battery removal and recycling. So it looks like there's obviously some lithium-ion battery inside. And that's fine. So we're just gonna get this opened up. So let's go. Right, past that box, obviously it's the connector there. That's everything in the box there. Put that to the side. There's obviously a nice Logitech branded cable, which is USB-A to USB-C. Looks really good. It comes with nice cable management. Velcro down here looks quite good and plush. There's obviously more paperwork. That's fine. that to one side. There's obviously the little connector to connect it through directly onto the USB port. Right, so with that now, we're just gonna look at the keyboard itself. It comes up packaged like a little bit of jewelry almost, packaged carefully. So what's down here? MX Master 3, so we'll look at that in a second. So we're just gonna get it. It does seem quite, it's got a lot of weight to this keyboard, which is quite interesting. So we'll just drop this there, out of the way. Right, that's the keyboard. Wow, that's got, it feels quite sturdy and premium already. You know, it's got a lot of weight, which you wouldn't really associate with a keyboard, but presumably what's happening here is that there's a battery module that's sort of stuck down there, which really works well. So if I show you there, so it's obviously the full keyboard down there. It's got nice chiclet type keys and nice real grooves for your fingers to actually get digging to inside. You can connect 3 devices at once. Sorry, not at once, obviously. You know, you can connect up to 3 devices. It's got the numpad and the other keys you can configure through the software that comes with the keyboard from Logitech. Yeah, it looks really good. What we're going to do now is just going to try and get this all connected up and fired up. So you obviously can't see it on the camera there, but it's got backlighting going already, so it might be visible at the angle, but it's got excellent sort of pulsating backlight going on right now. So I'll see if I can get my mouse here as well. Goes with the same mouse, really, Logitech one. So I'm gonna try and get this connected up just now, and then we will get this working up now. And this is obviously the keyboard and the mouse, and everything is now up and running. Yeah, so it all works. So we actually got the MX app installed here as well, which is the Logitech options software. Obviously got the mouse. This is my old keyboard, this is the new one. And what I'll do, we'll just quickly look through how it looks like actually on the screen here. So if I tap on that, so here's just different things you can do with the keyboard. So it's obviously on the software. You know, you can if you tick that, basically you get the option where your the top row is basically the standard function key. And to give you a quick example of that, if I tick it there, and now at this point, if I basically now I'm tapping the buttons on the top, they're going to be working like F1s and F2s and so far so forth. Whereas if I uncheck it, now this basically starts to work like brightness up and down, or it's just on the keyboard. So let's look at the keyboard brightness, which is down there. So it's just those 2 buttons there. So if I tap it here, you will see the brightness go up and brightness go down, which is perfect, and it works all brilliantly. I actually even get a prompt on the screen to say that the backlighting is going up and down. So that's just that option there. So there's obviously different options there, so you can control the brightness up and down. There's options there to control mission control. So if I do a quick like that, it gets me into the mission control, which is great. I could do the app expose or the launchpad, so it just took me into the launchpad there. You could do show desktop. It's all perfect, just works great. So just done a quick test, so let's do a volume up. That's just a volume rocker there, up and down. Tap on there, it just brings up the calculator, as you can see. So shut down there. So this is just that button down there. If I just tap on it, just brings up the calculator like so. And then right at the end, you got screen capture if you want to take a screenshot. So it's just not for now, so it's fine. So it just does that. I've actually set up the last button there to work as the command space shortcuts. If I tap on it, it just brings up that option there, so which is great. And obviously the last one is just to lock your computer, which is great. Works perfectly. Yes, it's really impressive, overall now that it's all set up. The feature obviously I like the most is the part around backlighting, the weight, to the whole keyboard. It's really sturdy. I wish there was some more height because I'm using it here with the actual keyboard support, and that would have been nice or nicer. But really, it's got everything laid out perfectly. We've got keys down here. They're actually branded both ways, so you can see here it says the Command and Alt, as well as Option and Start. So it sort of provides you options to go either way in terms of Windows and Mac. Obviously, I can set up easy switch here as well, where it can work with 3 devices. I've currently got them just set up to work on the MacBook Pro here, but obviously I can do 2 more devices, and then you easily just tap 1, 2, 3, and it will just toggle on to the next device, and it's just brilliant that way. I'm not too sure what that key's for there. Something above the numpad. Go back to the keyboard. I think it's not a programmable key. I think it's just the numpad on and off. That's probably what it is. Right, that's pretty much it, folks. So it looks like it's connected now. It is working. I think so far really like this keyboard. I think it's really complementary to the setup with the mouse, which is the Logitech MX Master. So this kind of now completes the set and really looks smashing. Obviously this was just a quick unboxing and not really a full review, but I will be reviewing this shortly when I've had a chance to use it for a few days. But from what I see already, I so far really like it. I think it's got excellent backlighting and it's got a real premium feel to it. It's quite sturdy and it's got a lot of weight to it. It's obviously, I still haven't tested it at all, in all fairness. I will check it on Bluetooth, check it on all 3 devices. But this was just a quick review. And yeah, that's it for today. I hope you like this content, and if you've still been watching, then thank you for continuing to stick around and watch this content. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then please give it a big thumbs up. I appreciate all the views and likes, and if you like the content, then do please consider subscribing to this channel. It does definitely help us out to have more subscribers, and I can get these videos quickly get pushed out to yourself. As always, if there's any comments you have on this video or others, please let us know in the comments below. Thank you once again for watching this video, and I'll catch you in the next one.